In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Sephora account. We will walk through this on the Sephora website so you can update your first and last name with confidence. First, go to the Sephora website. Open your browser and type sephora.com in the address bar, then press enter. You should see the Sephora homepage load with the black header at the top and product categories like makeup, skincare, and fragrance. If the site opens in another country or language, check the very top or bottom of the page for your region so the account options match what you expect. Once you are on the site, sign into your account. Look near the top right corner for the sign in option, then click it. A sign-in page will appear asking for your email address and password. Type your login details carefully, since a single wrong character will cause an error message instead of opening your account. After you submit the form, the page will reload and you should now see your account name or profile icon in the top right area, confirming that you are signed in. Now click My Account. In the top right section of the site, click on the area that shows your name or your profile icon. Then choose My Account from the menu that appears. The My Account page will open, usually showing an overview with sections like Orders, Beauty Insider Information, and Account Details. If you land on a different tab here, do not worry, you are still in the right place as long as you see your account sections on the screen. From there, open Account Details or Account Information. Look through the options on the account page for Account Details or Account Information and click it. This section is where Sephora stores your personal profile information such as name and sometimes your preferred contact details. When it opens, you should see your current first name and last name listed, which is a good sign that you are in the correct area to make changes. Next up, select Edit Personal Info. On the Account Details or Account Information page, find the Edit Personal Info option and click it. The name fields that were previously locked will now become active text boxes that you can type into. You might also notice other fields here, but for this video we will focus only on updating your name. With the editing mode open, change your first name and/or last name. Click into the first name field and type the new spelling or updated name you want Sephora to use. Then do the same for your last name field, updating it if needed, or leaving it as it is if you only changed your first name. Take a moment to double-check spelling, since whatever you enter here may appear on receipts, emails, and parts of your profile. After that, click Save. Look for the Save button below the fields and click it once. The page will refresh or the fields will lock again, showing your updated first and last name in their new form. In many cases, you may also see a brief confirmation message near the top of the page, letting you know the change was applied. You have now successfully changed the name on your Sephora account. If this helped tidy up your profile, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.